Good afternoon, everybody. It's actually really nice. I didn't even finish that sentence. That's how nice it is outside right now. 65 degrees and sunny. Looking very good right now. AMC bouncing back a little bit. Shiba Inu coin bouncing back a little bit. GameStop bouncing back a little bit. The market bouncing back a little bit. You guys already know what time it is. We got Frank first in the chat. Paul Wright, Frank, Paul Wright, Patrick, your stuff's in the mailbox, man. Your stuff is in the mailbox. So I don't know when you'll get it, but you should be excited that it is in the mailbox. Moji, am I here? I clicked the like button 3 times and gets a boots out. What? Did you figure out some hack, dude? You click the like button 3 times and it boots you out? Is that what you got going on now? Moji, you are here, man. You are here. One on Bronson. Today's trades on the Q call for 270. I nailed this morning. Put for 268. Lost 10%. QQQ for Monday. I have 270 puts and 278 calls. Boom, baby. Bronson. Sick, man. Sick. And you know what I like about that, Bronson? You admit that you lost 10%. Oh my goodness, a 10% loss. Bronson, ladies and gentlemen, the king of the QQQ. Heck yeah, Bronson, not afraid to admit your 10% loss. That's where it's at, man. That's where you're already ahead of 99% of the other traders that are out there. King Mamba, good afternoon to you, bros and broettes. Heck yeah, PS5, Dark Bro, Nancy Blue. I don't even know if I can say Nancy's name on here. Have serious chat on the DXY. Ooh, we have to talk about the DXY here. All right, yo, bros, what's going on, Dark Bro? Time to get hard. Oh yeah, JJ, Dark Bro, 1776, Pudgy, Rozzy, all of you guys. Dang it, man! Stop calling. What's the email? I see that I got an email from Voyager. I didn't read it. I've done a video for tonight about Voyager. Should be coming out. They better not be changing stuff up here on me after I've already got this video ready to go. Let's see. Well, you know what? Am I logged in? No, I'm not logged in. Let's see if I can read this email here and see what they said in that one. Yeah. It looks good, guys. Come on. Okay. No. Oh, here it is. Oh god, dude, I hold some VGX over there. Yeah, man. So this is a little weird. I don't have it up because it's my personal email, and I don't want anything popping up there that you guys shouldn't be seeing or anything. But nonetheless, so they will be sending out a packet with more detail in the next couple of days. So if you guys are on Voyager, you're going to be getting another email here. This is basically just a preparatory email saying, look out for this other email. And in that one, they're going to give us a little bit more detail. So the numbers that we talked about yesterday are 72%. We can expect to see about 72% of our cryptocurrency returned if everybody votes yes. Okay? If everybody votes no, then what's going to happen is they're going to say, we don't accept FTX's bid. They either have to raise the bid or somebody else needs to bid higher. It's not like it's all done. It just stays tied up. The creditors do not accept the terms of the bankruptcy. It's not saying you don't get anything at that point, but if everybody votes no, the bankruptcy proceedings continue on, and we need a higher offer for the bankruptcy. If everybody votes yes, or if the majority vote yes, in that case, what we're going to end up seeing is roughly a 70% payout. Okay, so if you had $10,000 in there, you're getting $7,000 back. If you had $1,000 in there, you're getting $700 back, and so on. FTX does not support roughly 23% of the cryptocurrencies that are on the Voyager platform. If that's the case, and you transfer over to FTX, you're basically getting a cash payout. Okay. Now, this is the interesting part that I don't really understand yet here, okay? And to be understand the amount of value received through this administrative spreadsheet is available at, all right, we can actually look this up here. And I'm going to go through that because I didn't really understand this VGX part, and so I had VGX and USDC on Voyager. Now, the VGX part is interesting. It says FTX US does not currently support the VGX token. FTX US is offered to purchase all VGX held by Voyager and its affiliates for a purchase price of $10 million. This is the floor price for VGX. What is the floor price for VGX? I actually want to see VGX token right now. VGX is probably tanking on this news. Let's see. Probably tanking down to its floor price right now. That's actually up. So I don't know what the floor price for VGX is, but the current market cap, okay, the current market cap is over $100 million. Current market cap is right here at $115 million for VGX, and they're buying all of it for $10 million. Is that right? They're buying all the VGX for $10 million, and it's currently worth $100. They're getting a 90% discount on the VGX there. So if that's the case, expect your VGX to be wiped out. Okay, if you were sitting on VGX, expect that to be wiped out. But they got a calculator out here, and I'm gonna look at this calculator real quick and see if I can get a little better understanding of what they're talking about with VGX. Let's see. Dude. All right, well, this calculator is just obviously probably a virus that I just downloaded or something. That doesn't open up on here. Hey, if anybody can open that, yeah, if anybody can open that up, go open that up. I can't open it. And let me know what you guys see on that. This is, if you got the email, the calculator is in your email there. It's not working for me. It's just opening up some notepad with a bunch of code in it. So, but it says you can input the number of coins in your account using the spreadsheet, and it will calculate an estimated distribution as if the Voyager portfolio had been sold on September 29th, adjusted for the size of the total claims pool against Voyager and associated holdbacks. So they're going to be using these prices on a 20-day average. They're not going to be buying prices off of the current price when they end up liquidating. So they're going to be taking like a 20 or 30-day average as well. So if the prices drastically increase the day you get your cryptocurrency back, they're getting a deal. They're getting a deal. If the prices drastically decrease, technically you'd be getting a deal. But, oh boy, man, I'm telling you what. Somebody go look at that calculator if you can pull it up. It's not working on my computer for some reason. But it would be interesting. And just do a couple different ones. Do like, you know, if you had $1,000 in USDC, if you had $1,000 or 1,000 Terra Luna Classic or something, throw a couple numbers out there so you can get some easy percentages. So if it looks like you're getting 70% back, 70% back, just throw 1,000 VGX in or whatever, so your percentages are easy, or 100, it doesn't matter what number you end up using, but just make it a nice easy number to see your percentage so that you can do it and we can get an idea of what's going on there. But seemingly, guys, it's going to be 70%, and the articles that I was reading this morning said December. Okay? December is when the judge is likely to approve the bankruptcy proceedings here and allow us to get our money back. So we do have to wait until this Judge Michael Wiles, or whatever his name is, approves everything. And when we vote yes, if we vote no, it stays in court. If we vote yes and the judge approves it, he said he's likely to approve it in December. So we are still going to have to wait 6 months, guys. This is ridiculous. You got to wait 6 months to get your own money back. If you vote no, yes, it's going to be even longer than that. Bro, where Tim, are you in here, man? Tim, are you in here, man? Let's see if Tim is in here. Go back to here. Tim, are you listening right now? You're just still not in the thing? Tim, show me your channel thing so I can go in there and manually look real quick to see if you're blocked for some reason. Okay? If you're listening, you're in the Discord right now, copy and paste your channel link so that I can go in there. And see if you're manually blocked, man. I had to do it for Sarah, and I gotta see if I can do it for you. Oh, let's see. Cardboard with the cheese. I don't know what guy's thinking about there. Not staying at the gym, but bro, DM me your email on Twitter. You're at the gym? What do you mean, lottery stocks? Hey, you can see the email. It might be easier. It's just claybro883@gmail. You can click the about page, or you can do it there. claybro883@gmail. I have $0 in Voyager. How much will I be getting back? If anybody knows. The limit does not exist, man. The limit does not exist. 0 times any percentage is still 0. So you'll be getting nothing back, Paul. Paul did good, man. Paul did good. I will be voting no. Yeah, I don't even know, man. Obviously, 70% is kind of a joke number. We're going to have to see what percent. And that's what the estimated percentage is, guys. They might come out and say 80%. They might come out and say 50%. If they say 50%, I don't know. Some of these guys that have massive amounts of money in there, $1 million+ I don't know if they would ever take that, or if they'll be like, well, you know, 50% of that, I got to take it, man. It's $500,000. I take my loss or whatever. But, yeah, I don't know. We'll have to see what they actually come across with when that email gets there. What does FTX do with tokens they don't support? Well, we see a LUNC dip once this takes place. I just got here, so if it was stated, my bad. Kalido Farm, that's actually a very good idea. So what that says in here, because it does address coins that are not supported on the FTX platform. Let me see if I can find where that said that real quick. I know it's around the 77%. So value may be returned to customers through a mix of in-kind crypto, which if you get your Bitcoin on there, you get Bitcoin for your Bitcoin, USDC, and US dollars, depending on the nature of the customer's claim. Whether and when customers transition to FTX and specific coins supported on the FTX US platform. Only customers who transfer to FTX will be eligible to receive cryptocurrency as part of the distribution plan. Customers who do not transition to FTX will receive distributions in cash from the Voyager bankruptcy estates. FTX US currently supports tokens that represent about 77% of the cryptocurrency denominated claims and is seeking to add additional tokens to raise this percentage. So, FTX may add LUNC to their platform. They may add these other coins to their platform. Talks about not listing VGX token there. Excess of the 10 million of Voyager is unable to identify a higher, better solution for VGX. Will accept FTX offers, and $10 million will be added to the purchase price for Voyager's other cryptocurrency distribution customers. VGX may decline the value. Blah blah blah. Okay, so it seems to me like if they don't add it and they don't want to add it, you're gonna be getting cash. Okay. Now, I don't know if that means you're getting a lesser cash too. But your question wasn't that. Your question was what happens to VGX, or what happens to Terra Luna Classic. In that case, it seems, man, like it would be sold, and you've got no choice to buy it there. Seems like it would be sold, and you are going to be receiving cash as opposed to your Terra Luna Classic. So yes, there would be a sell-off in the price of Terra Luna Classic, or of Terra Luna Classic, held on VGX. Or held on Voyager, that would be a result of the bankruptcy. So this isn't going to happen tonight, but this absolutely could happen in December or whatever, when they do decide to move over from Voyager to FTX. Kane Bro! Kind of disappointed with a 0.2% burn reduction. Kane Bro, I am disappointed. Not just kind of. I am disappointed with the 0.2% burn tax reduction there. I think it'll change. I think after people realize this isn't working too, they'll want to change it pretty quick. The reason is because they get to determine at market price when they see fit. Exactly. My guess is bottom is not in, and when it is, and that's when market value is going to be determined. Dude, I can almost guarantee you, Bronson, that you are right. I can almost guarantee you that you're correct, dude. They're going to come in, they're going to take the 20-day average after major declines. If anything, they could sell off and create those declines. Now, you guys need to remember, this Sam Bankman, he might seem like a nice guy, but he's a savage, dude. He was out there arbitraging the difference in Bitcoin between the United States and Japan, and I don't know where the camera went, the United States and Japan, to make hundreds of millions of dollars. If you don't think he's going to arbitrage your crypto holdings to make an additional hundreds of millions of dollars, you're absolutely wrong. All he's got to do is go out and sell off some of his Bitcoin holdings, dump the price through support. Everybody panics. The price drops down even further. He sees a sick deal coming across on this Voyager platform. He's arbitraging the difference in price when this deal goes through, and he will absolutely pocket hundreds of millions of dollars for it. I don't care if people think this dude looks like a nerd. He will absolutely walk all over anybody that he needs to walk over to make these hundreds of millions of dollars, and he's doing it right now. Bronson, you're absolutely right, dude. He's going to arbitrage us instead of arbitraging the difference in US and Japan right now. Past the age limit mode, but I caught it. Something. YouTube. Frank, thank you. Tim's channel. All right, we got Tim's channel right here. Thank you very much. Actually, does it pull it up for me? Okay, it does pull it up for me. However, you know what? I can't see that in my mobile. I need to get that in mobile. So, got that channel. Gosh. Hey, JB, man, I don't know if you're listening right now, but I'm just going to send that to if I can. Where the heck is JB? All right. I'm sending that to JB's Discord right there. So let me double check this because I got to click this on mobile so I can make sure of what's going on here. So give me 2 seconds, guys. I want to see if Tim is blocked. Just give me 2 seconds. All right. I got to go to Discord. Yes. I got to go to messages. No. No. Messages. Yes. Oh my goodness. I don't see Claybro under his subs. Alright, let me see this. Yeah. Go to his channel. Hey, Tim was blocked, guys. Tim was blocked. And you guys saw that. I went to all of the blocked, right? I went to everybody that was blocked. And showed you the list of everybody that was blocked there. Tim is now unblocked. God, I hate that. Oh, man, YouTube is really annoying me. All right, let's see if I'm back. Oh, boy, I hate this stuff, man. All right, we're back in action. We're good. Tim, you should be... There he is, ladies and gentlemen. There he is. Tim is back. Oh, my God. Oh, you guys are giving me a freaking heart attack, man. Hey, Tim, dude, I honestly... Thank you very much for your patience. Dark Bro, thank you very much for figuring this out. I went to the list of everybody that I would have blocked. Nobody is blocked. If you are listening right now, if you know somebody that's listening, this is happening to other channels, okay? Matt Perry said it was happening to his channel. Please, if it's happening to somebody else's channel that you watch, let them know what is going on. This is obviously some sort of a whack bug that is taking place. And seemingly, you need to go in and manually unblock everybody by clicking on their channel. YouTube was showing me, you guys saw the screenshot earlier, that I have nobody blocked. I've got nobody blocked. But I go individually click on Tim's channel right there, and it says that he is blocked. So... it is very frustrating. Dark Bro, man, thank you very much for looking at that. Tim, thank you for your patience, man. Please, just help everybody out. Help everybody else out that may be having this problem right now. Guess who's back? Back again. Tim is back. Tell a friend. Guess who's back? Guess who's back? Guess who's back? Oh, yes, Tim is back. Bronson says, hey, Tim, where's that $4.99 super sticker? It's $4.99 now. Hey, man, he might have just mistyped the decimal. It's all right. Whack bug, Rob. Whack bug. I am not liking it. Because I can guarantee you people left. I can guarantee you people got frustrated with it and did not stick around to see it fixed. And YouTube is still not fixing it. They act like they have no idea what's going on. So, Tim, man, thank you. If anybody else is in the Discord seeing like they have problems, guys, look, Tim, I did not block you, dude. And it says unblock user. For some reason, it blocked you and everybody else with that. And the weird thing is, I did not do that for Pika and Chloe and some of these other people that were blocked on here, and it remedied their channel. Yours did not get remedied until I manually went in there and unblocked you. So thank you, guys. Thank you very much for your patience and all that good stuff right there. Dark Bro, beat the algorithm, baby. Oh, yes. My friend doesn't know Tim. Well, now he does. Oh, my goodness, what I missed. We solved the mystery of the Blocked Bros. Emma D seemingly solved the mystery of the the Blocked Bros, because Tim is back, Serenus Croy is back, but I have to manually do it. So I don't understand why I have to do that. And I have to do it individually on your channel. I can't go in. There's nobody that shows up on my blocked list. And it has to be manual. So if you know anybody else that is blocked, if they've expressed any concerns on Twitter or anywhere else, please let us know. Aldo Bro says, this one is for you, Tim. You tilt the head back a little bit. I can't tilt it back too far. The crown will come out. You tilt the head back a little bit. You lick it, and you stick it. Tim, man, eye contact the entire time, baby. So glad to have Tim back. Look at that, we're partying already. Outdo Bro says, this one is for you, Tim. Bros for life. Yeah, there we go, Tim. I like it, baby. We go through struggles together and we come out the other side together. Drop 60 into Tonic. I got $1 billion more. I just want to and hope it makes it through this darkness franchise. Could you imagine if $1 billion Tectonic is like $1 billion Shiba one day? It absolutely could be. There's a drastic difference between, the price of Tectonic right now and when Shiba Inu coin was at its all-time high. There, I think it was what? $1 billion Shiba Inu coin would have gotten you 80 grand around its all-time high. Is that what it was? Billion Shiba Inu coin, 80 grand. There's no doubt that you could absolutely be seeing that same deal. Eye contact, banana, route, not Bob. You know what it is with the fake Clay Bro. Stole the membership I gifted. Yeah, dude, I don't know where that fake Clay Bro is. We need to do it. Bro, block me again. I dare you. I looked at the algorithm and it trembled in fear of Dark Bro. Heck yeah, Dark Bro. Anything knows better now. Midterms right on the corner. I don't know. Could be a conspiracy. Yeah, dude, it absolutely could, man. It absolutely could. I don't know what Tim is saying on other channels. I really don't. I don't know what kind of stuff Tim posts, if he's got videos, if YouTube is saying, no, dude, we are going to block this guy. I really don't know. I wouldn't say that's far off of a conspiracy, man. Silence those with differing opinions right before an important decision, and oops, bring it right back after the decision's been made. Sorry, guys. Dude, I'm telling you, a lawyer would have a field day with what's going on right now. If they knew that. Like, Tim, man, I'm not going to sit here and make assumptions about people, right? But think about go down that rabbit hole right there. If you guys are completely silenced on YouTube leading up to major decisions being made, let's watch this bug get fixed in the next 3 weeks. Let's watch this bug get fixed in the next 3 weeks and see what that turns into there. Yeah, guys, you guys are actually better at conspiracy theories than I am, but this is some wild stuff that they got going on right now. 1776, you might be on to something, dude. If you're watching and can't comment, follow someone and get your link in the chat. Absolutely. Frank, 100%, guys. If you are typing right now and it seems like you are not being seen, it's because you're not being seen. YouTube has done something that is blocked, automatically blocked you. And not blocked you like hiding from the channel, like literally me blocking you from ever seeing anything you say. And the weird thing is, it seems like it's blocking everybody from seeing what you say. Not just me. Oh, so glad to have you fixed, man. Oh, no. Fake Bro is legit now. Be careful. Really wants to invest money and refuses to participate in super chats. Yeah, Emma D. Fake Bro is actually a green bro now. I think I now know how Clay makes side money on the weekends after watching his banana simulations. Dude, not just nights and weekends too, man. It's like the old T-Mobile family plan. Nights and weekends. It is what it is. It is what it is, Kai. You gotta do what you gotta do. Times are tough. Inflation's up. Bananas are down. There is a light at the end of the tunnel. Greedy buys. Let's go. Let's do it, man. I'm now officially 15 billion deep in Tectonic. Still spending Asian IPOs. There you go. Making money off those Asian IPOs and loading up on Tectonic, Tim. Heck yeah. Dude, could you imagine? Could you imagine if Tim actually wrote it up that high? Tim would be a multi-millionaire. Channel is stuff like how to plant a garden, how to fix your truck, stuff like that. Yeah, dude, stuff that they don't want you to know how to do. Self-sustainable stuff, Tim. Think about it. Self-sustainable stuff. They can make an assumption. The algorithm can make an assumption based off that type of content and that type of chat. They absolutely can, dude. Bro, don't get me started. I'm conspiracy all day. Yeah, you guys are actually getting me started. I'm not starting you. You guys are starting me. Honeybro's gonna own YouTube one day if they keep messing. They will, dude. They will be owned by me one day if they keep messing with this channel. I don't know if they understand that I will not quit. Like, you guys could chop my legs off and I'd still be walking. I will not quit. Like, if I make the decision to quit, that's one thing. But I'll tell you right now, nobody can force me to stop doing what I think is right and what I want to do. I will definitely not be quitting there. Still waiting to buy my IPO to BXT. Very good, Rob. Am I here or not? Joseph, you are here, man. Thank you for testing, by the way. Thank you very much. Jose, hashtag fake bro. Hashtag fake bro in the chat. Tinfoil hat theories day. Yes, it is, Tim. Yes, it is. Genie B! Thank you very much for the super chat. Genie B says, what kind of a Friday would it be without a little Genie B unicorn? Oh my God, you gotta get a better horn than that, Clay bro. Come on, come on, come on. You could. We'll go with that one. We want that in there. Got you. Genie B, I think I got you. Hold on. Okay, there you go. I'm gonna go with that one. Thank you very much, Genie B, for the super sticker. I ran out of the normal stuff that I use in my hair, so this stuff's a little weaker. And apparently doesn't like to do the unicorn as much as the Sexy Hair Frenzy. If you guys really want some good stuff for your hair, Sexy Hair Frenzy is among the best that I've used so far. So I would recommend checking that out. Brand Sexy Hair, type Frenzy. It's not a conspiracy theory, it's a social hypothesis, and I must say, many of the craziest ones have been proven correct in the last few years, so I don't know. MD, 100% agree with you, right? I'm not on all of the conspiracy theories. I don't believe in all of them, but I do believe in some of these things here that have been going on lately. Clebro Army is strong, baby Rozzy. It is the strongest. It's gate gotch bananas on the weekend. I got my mini skirt and high heels every Friday night. Cherry Street. There you go, Kai. There you go. So true, Rozzy. Nights and weekends. Oh no, the banana will never go away, and I don't want it to. Tim, Dark Bro is a god, my guy. Yes, dude. Hey, Tim. I really don't know what Dark Bro was doing, right? I don't know how he figured all this stuff. He was Googling it, testing it, what he was doing. But yes, Dark Bro absolutely destroyed that one. And figuring out a problem that YouTube, I'm still waiting on answers from YouTube. I don't know if I should even tell them what's going on. I don't even know if I should. They might not even be able to understand it. So I am glad that I've got pictures of nobody being blocked, but then individual users being blocked. So it might, if somebody's smart that works at YouTube, we can hope that somebody smart works there. They might be able to understand what to look for and how to fix that problem. Because it is a site-wide problem, right? And like I say, Matthew Perry, I don't know if any of you guys watch his stuff, but he said he's got people blocked as well. And also, he had the same issue with revenue that I did. So if you guys sent super chats to anybody on Wednesday, October 12th, you need to make sure that either you get a refund for them or that person is aware. I mean, I don't care if it's crypto related or not. You need to make sure, because same exact issue across the board. So please, if they're not aware, I mean, he wasn't aware. So he said, thanks for the heads up. and opening a case there. YouTube definitely needs to be handled in this situation because they're either stealing millions of dollars at the moment or you guys got some refunds. Hats off to you, Tim. Anything to save the bros. I like it, Dark Bro. Tim, dude, yes, YouTube's crap. They just need to hire me and I'll show them how it's done. Dark Bro, I like it. Clipper Frame will always overcome. Boom, Tim, it absolutely will. Someone smart works at YouTube. Now, I said I hope somebody smart works at YouTube. Kai, somebody smart should work there. At least somebody. Long-term retirement portfolio closed the day up 0.93%, and Ford wins with Captain America Award up 3.68% on the day. Saw the pop on AMC starting, got my cash secure puts for next Friday at the $6 strike, earning 21 cents per contract. Nice, Frank. Very good, man. Did anyone check to see if So, Tim, apparently it did not happen to Juana. I don't know if Juana is listening right now or not. But yes, we did ask to see if it was happening to Juana the other day, and she was able to send an ice cream cone super sticker. So seemingly, Juana is okay, and nothing's going on there, which is good. Dude. We did check on her a couple days ago. There is Rockstar. Yeah, man, Matt Perry's. I like Matt Perry. Matt Perry's a good guy. Afternoon, Nick F. What's going on, afternoon? Hashtag stickers for Tim. Ooh, stickers for Tim, maybe. Hashtag stickers for Tim. Where is Tim on the? God, I'm gonna be man. I am gonna be busy this weekend anyway. Well, I wish I could get some more shirts printed this weekend. Maybe I'll try. Tim looks like he might be coming up on that on a shirt too, though. Is it safe to send super stickers? I don't want to send it and you don't get it. So Rozzy, seemingly so, right? Everything looked fine except for the 12th. So, and anything after the 12th didn't seem to have any problems. It was only October 12th that nothing seemed to work. So, other than that, it does seem like it's safe. And I technically wouldn't even know about today for like another 2 days because everything lags 48 hours. So, I guess it's safe because everything leading up to today was working. October 12th is my birthday. Jose, you ruined it, dude. You ruined it. Your birthday destroyed the YouTube algorithm and nothing is working right now. Why am I missing Clay? Things still not going up, so don't really gotta worry. You're not missing much over here, Chris. Everything having a pretty, well, you know what? The market had a pretty good day today. But as far as cryptocurrency is concerned, a pretty stagnant day. But the overall market actually doing pretty well. Closing up 2.35% on the QQQ with another 0.20% gain after hours here. So the QQQ actually did have a very good day today. Overall market up big. And stock price is doing pretty well as well. So 10% gains on Ape. What did AMC have? AMC had 2% gains. GameStop had 3% gains. No major bounces, but nonetheless, dude, not a bad day for stocks. Mullen Auto up another 7% today. Decent gains across the board there, but cryptocurrency not doing too well. Easy Ride! Good! Forgotten nobodies. I got my stickers. Boom, baby. Easy Ride. Grabbing those stickers. Perfect Easy Ride. Now I'm going to have to send Easy Ride some more stickers, right? Because Easy Ride wants sheets and sheets of stickers. Very good, Easy Ride. I am so glad you got that sticker pack, dude. And no more worries there. I don't even know if you got a big one or if you got a little one in there or not, but you know what to do with it if you got it, man. Any predictions on what the Fed will say next meeting on interest rates? Yeah, I do have predictions, man. I think that they're going to continue on at 0.75%. I think they continue with 75 basis points because it doesn't seem to be doing anything drastic to the inflation rate. Now, I don't know if they're artificially keeping the inflation rate lower than it should be, because what we're seeing is a slow, very slow 0.1% decline month after month after month. And I don't know if that's artificially being kept low right now or not. But if they really wanted to go back down to 2%, they're going to need to do something drastic. And they definitely need to keep raising interest rates if they want to lower the inflation rate. So that would be my best guess at this point, is that they're going to continue the same stance that they've currently got. QQQ up that big today. We'll have small reversal. It has to profit taking. You know, and it very well could, man. I don't know where. Let's see, the QQQ here, where are we at? So it does have a little resistance in this area right here that you're looking at. So we touched it today. So we could see a reversal from right here. If it continues up and gets a follow through, we could be seeing 280 on the QQQ based on what I'm looking at. We are absolutely right at this little resistance line that could result in a slight reversal. But nonetheless, it doesn't mean that it can't continue up and hit 280 rather quickly if it decides to continue up on Monday. But I do agree. I mean, it can't go up forever. It's got to turn at some point. Just like it can't go down forever, guys. This is a weekly chart. Boom, down, up, boom, down, up, boom, down. Could be coming up again and then boom, down even further. So we'll have to see how it plays out, but you're absolutely right, dude. We might see some profit taking, but we're right kind of in between some levels of resistance there. J-Bones, baby. Oh, yes. J-Bones says, let's make this guy sweat right now. Let's make him sweat. I got you, J-Bones. Gosh. Oh, that is a lot of exhaling. J-Bones, thank you very much for the superhero super sticker. Getting him prime for overtime, getting the blood flowing already. Thank you, J-Bones. Loving it, man. Also, Clay, you said now's the time to get into the big name cryptos. I get bear market is probably going to stay for a minute, so one can only assume the cryptos. It's a buy and hold thing. So it depends. So it depends on your strategy. And I'll show you here. If you want to go over a couple different strategies with it, yes. If your strategy is to get into these bigger cryptos, and you honestly do have a 5 to 10 year time frame, or if you are simply waiting for the next bull market, yes, it is a buy and hold strategy, and you shouldn't even really be concerned with it because you could see some bounces during this bear market, but you're not going to see the types of runs that you will during a bull market. So let's look at Bitcoin here, and we can look at Ethereum too if you want. But we got Bitcoin up on the chart. This is the daily chart, and we can see that Bitcoin is extremely volatile on the daily chart. Now we're going to come back here to this bear market that happened after the fall in 2017, and we're sitting in this area. So if you're buying Bitcoin during this bear market of like 2018 to 2020, end of 2020 there, what you're looking at is, okay, maybe you're loading up here, you're buying a little bit in the $6,000 area. You could absolutely make a, 35% gain, selling at 8,000 if you want. That's not necessarily a bull market though, man. These are bounces. 30% gains in cryptocurrency is not a bull market. Very stagnant. Maybe you're loading up. Maybe you bought some at 8,000 and you're continuing to dollar cost average. Then it comes down to 3,000. You don't know if this is the bottom or not. So you're buying some more in here and you're getting at 3,000. Dude, a $3,000 move to $13,000 is a very large move. Now, is this a bull market? A lot of people could have very well said yes. You know, we're looking at 300% gains in cryptocurrency, and you absolutely could take profits here. At this point, you have to look at the overall market. What's going on in 2019? Normalcy still existed in 2019, right? And the economy was looking good in 2019. So there may have been people, and myself included, may have thought that this is the beginning of a bull market. And this would be a great opportunity. So it's up to you at that point. Do you take some 100, 200, 300% gains depending on where you were able to average down to during the bear market? And then, of course, we know that 2020 came around, and that just shocked the world, sending Bitcoin back down to $4,000 per coin. From $4,000 per coin, the overall stock market and the overall cryptocurrency market was semi-stagnant. You can see that these candles are not very big candles during this time frame, but recovered relatively quickly. And this is when all of the stimulus money bull run came into play. Everybody's getting these checks. Everybody's investing. Everybody's trying to buy stocks, cryptos, and so on. And it runs up, dude. So this is the bull market that we ended up having here, taking us up to $64,000. Wild, right? Massive profit taking comes in because we're still having a bull market. We're still in a bull market, but we've got massive profit taking coming in and rides us back up to $69,000 on Bitcoin. And of course, here's the bear market beginning, the same as the bear market beginning in end of 2017, 2018. So you can see here that if we stretch it out and make it look similar to the action that we've currently got going on, we had a massive decline. And it started to consolidate down into these time frames, and Bitcoin started to consolidate down here and began moving sideways, right? And then when it fell through this level of support at 6,000, lost 50%. This could be what we're seeing at 20,000 to 10,000. Boom, 6 grand to 3 grand relatively quickly. This might be less than a month time frame right here. And then pretty much bottomed out in the $3,000 area. Nobody cared about crypto. Nobody cared about mining. Nobody cared about cryptocurrencies. Nobody cared about Bitcoin, Ethereum, and so on. And then we got a little run. People got excited, come back down during 2020. And the same story that we just went over right there is afterwards. So you can make money trading that cryptocurrency during bear markets. Junior, thank you very much for the super chat. Junior, absolutely, man. So we do have news on Voyager. You should actually have an email from Voyager right now that you can go through and read if you want. They're going to be sending you an email in the near future that is going to ask you to vote on whether you accept or decline the terms. And in that email is where you're going to see the terms. What they're anticipating is that we receive 70% back. 70%, you might think that's good, you might think that's terrible. Clearly it was our money, so I would expect 100% back. But that's what analyst expectations and these expectations are right now, is that we receive 70% back. If we vote no, okay, and the majority votes no, what happens then is Voyager needs to come up with a new bid. Either somebody else needs to come in and beat FTX's offer because we are declining it, or FTX needs to raise their offer. I think I said somebody needs to beat it or FTX needs to raise it if we vote no. If we vote yes and we accept the offer, what we have then is whatever they send in the email, but right now expectations are for 70%. Now, the articles that I was reading today are that we should expect this to be approved by the judge. If everything goes fine and we vote yes, we should expect the judge to approve this in December. Okay? So December is the time frame you're looking at right now for approval. I know it seems like a long way away, but really we're sitting 6 weeks away from December right now, and it will be here rather quickly. So keep an eye on your email. There should be a calculator. I can't get it to work on my computer, but there should be a calculator that you can go in and plug your numbers in and determine how much crypto you expect to get back based on the crypto that you're holding in there. So, yes, we do have Voyager updates right now, and that is it. Crypto Burger with the spiders again, baby. Michael, are you look into that link I sent you on to? Michael, I have not looked into it yet, man. I have not looked into it yet. Dude, I'm telling you, I need to shave some stuff off my afternoons or something, or become a little bit more efficient in what I do. But I am telling you, my days from basically the moment I wake up until the moment I fall asleep are absolutely ridiculous. So Michael, anyway, Fist bump, fist bump, fist bump. Michael, thank you for the fist bump, man. Really appreciate that, dude. Bronson lady said, son, got a fake medical card, bull crap, and got waxed. Then, what is happening? I don't even know what's going on right now. Where we going? Did I get everything there? Yes. Frank with the spider webs had to. Yes, you did. Yo, bro, what's going on? Michael, how you doing, man? Clear, did you hear anything about California issuing inflation relief checks? Yes. Was it $800 or was it something else? I did. Look, I know some of you guys live in California. Inflation relief checks are not a good idea. Okay? They're not a good idea. I get it. You want that extra money, but it's not a good idea. We're in the problem that we're in right now because of these checks. You can't put a fire out with more fire. I mean, maybe you can if you suck all the oxygen away from the original fire or something, but you can't put a fire out with a fire. And that's what they're trying to do right now. I don't think it's a good idea. Maybe people need help or something, but, and this might sound harsh, you're going to have to learn to cut your budget. That's really the only thing that is going to help this situation. And that's not me like talking down on anything, but if you need help, you need to look at your budget. And you need to look at your income and your expenses. And you need to either raise your income or cut your expenses. You can't do so by collecting these inflation relief checks that are just going to make inflation worse. Asking for Jane Bones, when LUNC hits 10 cents? Soon, man, soon. No, I don't know. It's going to take a lot for Terra Luna Classic to hit 10 cents. Reminder to everyone to smash that like button before this afternoon's live stream is over. Help Clay out. He's doing a great job with his every day. If you don't, my midget neighbor will find you. And you don't want that to happen. Johnstontown will give him your address for sure. What FTX will take care of us for? You know what, Rob? I actually don't know, okay? I preferred the Voyager platform over FTX. I'm going to have to make the decision now if I keep my stuff on FTX, if I go completely rogue and just hold it on like a ledger, move it over to KuCoin, Trust Wallet, or some DeFi platform. But hopefully they treat us well if you do decide to stay with them. Claybro making that money. We got to, man. People must understand sports players and Hall of Fame players have lost millions in Voyager, and they won't want 70% back. They want it all back. Yeah, I want it all back too, man. I want it all back too. I know nobody's listening to me, though. I know they're not. Already like just listening now and learning. I'm a noob. I'm going to tell you right now, Mechanic, if you ever got any questions, dude, don't be afraid to ask them. Everybody starts out as a noob. And with as interactive as these live streams are, I love the questions. So if you've got questions, please ask. If it looks like I missed it, ask it again because I missed it. It depends on what you really do, really. I think LUNC is better at the moment and really good staking rewards. Plus, it's layer 1 blockchain. Shib is a meme token. Do your own research, though. Absolutely, Michael. So hopefully Shibarium launches within the week. It would make it a very nice month. Chris, thank you for the super chat. What does Chris say? Got it. Thanks, Clay. I'm cool with holding real plays. I get follow the trend, but can't keep relying on everyone for a squeeze. Annoyed. No, Chris, I know exactly what you mean, dude. So I understand these plays like Terra Luna Classic, right? They are extremely hype driven, and they are contrary to the overall market. Now, one of the ways to play that is to get in when the hype is going on and make some quick gains and so on. Another way to play it is, well, you have to consider it too. If Terra Luna Classic does rebuild its blockchain and these kids actually do something great, you're going to see some 50, 60, 70, 100x gains in Terra Luna Classic if they can accomplish what they set out to accomplish. And that's kind of my mentality on it, man. I would never go out and buy a house and then my intentions are to flip that house. I tear it all apart and just because I get lazy, not want to put it back together. That's not even it doesn't even make sense to me. I can't fathom doing that, not finishing that and completing that there. Which is why for me, I often think about what it's like for Terra Luna Classic to be rebuilt. Because I can't imagine these kids would just abandon the project and not rebuild it. But longer term plays like Bitcoin and Ethereum and some of these other bigger coins like Solana and Polygon and so on, you got that decision to make. And dude, I know, and I don't know where we're all going to be in life in the next 5 years. Nobody knows where we're all going to be in the next 2 months by the end of this year. But I do know if you make it during the next bull market and you make it through this bear market, you're going to see more than double your money. You're going to see more than double your money. You're most likely going to see 10x plus gains. And that's a lot of money depending on how long this bear market lasts. 10x doesn't seem that sexy. But dude, if the bear market lasts 3 years and you're able to continue buying during that 3-year period, and you're sitting on $10,000 worth of crypto, by the time that 3 years is over, you were able to go out and drop $200 a month on picking up some crypto because you were able to save that. Dude, you're looking at a $100,000 portfolio 5 years from now. Some of you guys aren't even going to be 30 in 5 years. And a $100,000 portfolio, all you got to do then is double that. You got $250,000. Double that, you got $500,000. Double that, you guys are sitting in $1 million portfolio, and that's reasonable. You know what I mean? Like, that is easily doable simply because the overall market is recovering. That's not even getting lucky. That's not even getting lucky on a crazy little coin. That's just outlasting the bear market. And that's what I like about these, real plays, Chris, is that they will outlast the market. It's just, will you outlast the market? Now, if you want to make 1,000x gain, sure, you're going to have to buy the, Shiba Inu's Ghost Inu Volt 2.0995 in 2025 when the next bull market takes place. And then you get 1,000x on that or something. But these quote-unquote real plays out there, all you got to do is be there, man. That's what I did with my expenses. I changed my phone company because the bill was too high. Canceled most of my credit cards. Living on a budget is hard, but it will save a lot of money and headaches. Razi, it absolutely will, dude. And you know what? You'll get used to it, too. You'll get used to it very quickly. If I got one, we'll do something mechanic spout off. Got a whole bunch not financial advice opinions. Heck yeah, the mechanic. If you don't read your comment, just keep asking or complaining until he sees it. Feels bad, and then goes back and reads it out of pity. Just kidding. Keep asking. Yes, keep asking, man. Always keep asking, guys. Listen to Chris. And some days, I don't even know what it is. Some days you guys think that I'm completely ignoring you, and I promise I'm not completely ignoring you. 5 years, heck, might be out in nursing. Dude, you are not going to be in a dang nursing home in 5 years, Tim. Come on. If you are, you're going to be sitting on $1 million crypto portfolio while you're in that nursing home there, dude. And all the nurses, they're going to be coming up. Oh, Tim, I see that you have 25 Bitcoin. Oh, do you need anything today? Would you like some more pudding, Tim? And you're going to be like, yeah, you know what? Give me 2 chocolates today. GDB! What's the significance of 94% USDC held off of centralized exchanges? So Genie B, that's actually a very interesting question. I did not know this statistic, but so USDC is a very interesting coin. USDC is supposedly backed by actual US dollars, and I believe it's got roughly a $50 billion valuation right now. Therefore, the creators of USDC supposedly have $50 billion in a bank account to back up USDC. Now, the significance of this, and I know that there's a lot of USDC that is held on exchanges, but here's my thoughts on why that could be a significant number. People who want to have wealth, untouchable wealth, would hold that amount of money on a decentralized exchange or off of these centralized exchanges. Because if you own it, if you're on that decentralized exchange, they can't come after it. They can't come take it from you. And it's not theirs. So hearing that statistic right there, I would say the significance of that is that people view that basically as the same thing as the US dollar that is untouchable by banks, regulators, and so on. So that to me, that number is inspiring. I like that part. Apparently, we get a vote. Being allowed to give Sam, you have 30% of everyone's account. FTX held tons of Voyager debt regardless. So it's essentially make us customers cover the spread on a dumpster fire sale. Exactly. Emma D. And here's the thing that we were talking about earlier, too, going through that email, okay? The price that you receive it on is not going to be the price at the day of close. So if it ends up closing in December, it's going to be based, I think it's at a 20 or 30 day moving average of the price. So if it shoots up in price the day that the bankruptcy takes place, you're going to get screwed. If it shoots down in price, you could be a little better, but I would not be, I mean, you're going to be a little bit better because they're taking an average there, but you're still going to be, bad off that the crypto prices are down. I wouldn't be surprised if they manipulate the prices of these cryptocurrencies so that they can get an even better deal on the situation there and pay us less back. 10x, and I'm stacking my positions every week in regular investments every 2 weeks. Frank, dude. No, Frank, I can tell you got some discipline. You got a very long-term focus. So you're going to be a winner. You know what I mean? You might not see $1 million in your account tomorrow, but you're going to be a winner because you will outlast the market. You will outlast the ups and the downs, and you will see that long-term gain. Claybro OnlyFans will be trending by the weekend. Michael, Claybro might be opening an OnlyFans if YouTube keeps acting up. That's not even a joke. You can stream through OnlyFans. We don't have to get naked or anything, dude. But we stream through OnlyFans if YouTube keeps acting up. Like I'm not even joking about that. Alameda, owns by Sam, pays $200 million to Voyager after they file bankruptcy. Dude, I'm telling you. So if anything comes over after, like 3 Arrows Capital and stuff, we can still receive more from this bankruptcy if Voyager is able to collect from 3 Arrows Capital. So that was another stipulation in the email there. So haven't made any money, so about to use hedges as cheat sheet and hope it's not. Yeah, you know what, Chris? That's another strategy that a lot of people do use. Just follow the smart money, follow that big money there. If Nancy Pelosi's buying, you buy. If the hedge funds are buying, you buy. If the hedge funds are selling, you sell. Insiders as well. People follow insiders. It is a trading strategy that you can employ if you feel better about that, right? If you feel like these hedge funds are invincible, do it. I'll tell you this though, okay? I'll tell you this, and you can look at all the statistics you want. You can Google it and so on. One of the guys in college called them monkeys, okay? Just throwing darts at the wall. But hedge funds do not and have never averaged better than the overall market. They can. The best hedge fund managers in the world do not have an average that outperforms the overall market. So one of the most guaranteed ways to make money, and guaranteed isn't sexy, right? Guaranteed is not doubling, tripling, quadrupling your money. Guaranteed isn't jumping on a low-priced penny stock and watching it 10x in price. Guaranteed is not buying crypto. Guaranteed to outperform any of the overall any of the big player hedge funds out there if you simply buy the S&P 500 or Dow and NASDAQ. If you just invested in the QQQ, the DIA, I believe, and the SPY, you're going to outperform every hedge fund over the next 40 years. So if you're looking, dude, and you're like, okay, man, 66, I'm going to live my life, right? And I'm going to guarantee that I can have millions of dollars when I retire. Maybe I don't need millions of dollars now. Maybe I'm not 30 years old driving around in some Corvette or some sort of a Lamborghini. But no hedge fund has a better track record than the overall stock market does. So follow them if you want, but better advice would actually be just buy the SPY. Just buy the QQQ and just continue to add that to your portfolio. Razi! Gotta ask real questions. We get real answers. Heck yeah, Genie B. Razi! Woohoo! Debbie just hit the wall. What is going on? What is that, man? Woohoo! Woohoo! Debbie just hit the wall. I don't even know what that means, Rozzy, but I like it. Guess who's back? Tim is back. Tim, man, Tim's been gone so long, you forgot how to eat a hot dog. Tim, you take the hot dog, you dip the hot dog. You dip the hot dog in whatever your favorite dip is, man. You dip it down, and after you're done dipping that hot dog, you shove it. One bite eats it all. Tim, dude, thank you very much for the super chat. Really appreciate that. Tim is back, ladies and gentlemen. Easy ride. Put a bro logo sweatpants on me, right across the bum. Right across the bum for you, Easy Ride, right? Right across the bum. No, actually, I did think about that before, because sweatpants, you could easily print the logo on there, and you could do it on, like, the waistband or just down, vertical, down the leg, and I do think that would be kind of cool. I'm not putting no bro on your bum, Easy Ride, not happening there. AMC Trapper, on the other hand, might be a different story, but bro logo sweatpants would be pretty sweet. But if we get naked on OnlyFans, you might get a naked HD guy back. Just saying, this is true. This is true, Tim. This is true. We might get these guys to come back in here. And the Naked HD chat guy, he might actually give me some, he might actually start promoting my site. Could you imagine if he started spamming all of the other YouTube channels out there with my site? That would be amazing. How much will NXP be worth in this time next year, in your opinion, and are you in? Perpetual Intellectual, very good question. I'm not in, okay, and it does depend on the suit with the SEC. Everything comes out fine. If we're not in a bull market, I'd say you're in that dollar sum range. If you're in a bull market, I'd say yes. If everything works out with the suit, you could be in the $3 range. The same as it was before. Same as it was before they got held up with the SEC. If the suit doesn't go well, I think they're going to see some pretty tough times, dude. I don't think you're going to see prices higher than where we're currently at. Hopefully I can get to Chris's question there after I say, Genie! Genie, that one is so hard to do. Genie, thank you very much for the super sticker. Didn't Clay start out with saying, you didn't have to... Yes, I did start out with saying that, Mike, but things change. Things change in a very short period of time. I definitely think I could beat the market, just not relying on so many people. Also, gotta have this explained like I'm a straight idiot. Still don't get how people know how to play the downside. No, Chris, yeah, I do think that you can beat the market. What I'm saying is the market beats the hedge funds. So if you want to beat the hedge funds, you could simply go out there and just buy the SPY or just buy the QQQ. As far as how to play the downside, there's a couple different ways you can do that, okay? One of them is by buying puts. Now, buying puts, a lot of people consider that some people consider it shorting. It's not shorting, but you are playing the action to the downside. Another way to do that is to actually short the stock. I would say buy a put instead of shorting the stock. If something wild happens and you're shorting, you're going to lose a lot of money. I mean, you could lose unlimited money. It could blow your whole account there. If you're buying a put, the most you can lose is the price of the put. And it goes up in value as the price of the stock goes down. So the same way you would consider buying a stock, you could consider buying a put. And you know that I like to look at lines of support and resistance and so on. But let's say that, okay, so this red line was very significant here. And it did break back up through that. So we might be on an uptrend. And this uptrend may last until we get into this area right here. If it starts to curl back over here, this could be a great time to buy a put on the QQQ. And the same way you buy a stock is the same way you buy a put option. You just simply click on it. You can see it basically anywhere, man. If you want to buy, we got Tesla. Yeah, so we just got Tesla. I scrolled down too far. But you got Tesla here. If you're on your phone, you simply click on Tesla. You click on the QQQ, whatever you want. And, you know, we noticed right now, Tesla's sitting at some major support. If it breaks down through, we might see a significant decline. So you want to play it to the downside. You just click on options. You click on puts. And then I don't have a buy button or anything on here right now because I'm not logged in. But you would simply click on whichever option you want to buy and then click the buy button. Now, this is where it gets difficult, and we're not going to go into all the detail here because we're already after 5 o'clock. But determining which one you want to buy is also very important. So you can see Tesla closed at $214 today. This option right here, the 213 Tesla, the 213 puts on Tesla, expired worthless, man. You cannot sell these for anything right now. They expired worthless. And these, the 215s, closed at 40 cents. Now that's 40 cents times 100 shares. So there's a lot of money to be made, but nonetheless, they expired worthless because they were out of the money at that point. The price of Tesla did not go below the strike price. And we can focus a lot more on that later if you want. But I will say, you know, you look at this downtrend right here, Tesla hitting lower highs. The overall market is indicated by the QQQ hitting lower highs and lower lows. It is in a downtrend. Buying a put, even if it's a couple months out with an expiration date, could be a decent idea if this trend continues. So it's very simple to actually do so, and we can get into a little bit more detail on Monday if you guys want to actually look at how to buy puts and things like that. But nonetheless, let's see here. Where we at? Got Genie B. You know what? I see Moji's chat right there. Somebody tell me right now if you want a sticker pack. I'm going to go put a sticker pack in the mailbox right now. If you tell me you want a sticker pack, somebody tell me they want a sticker pack right now and you get a sticker pack. You got to tell me you want a sticker pack if you want one, though. We only got 46 people in here. You got to tell me you want a sticker pack if you want a sticker pack. You want sticker. Genie B got stickers. Genie B got stickers. Tim is actually I think Tim is really close to getting that shirt. I think Tim is really close to getting that shirt, though. Tim, how much longer do you have before you hit a year, dude? How much further before you got a year? Hey, Genie, real quick. You want pink or purple? You want pink or purple? I got purple, right? Yeah, you want pink or purple? Let me know. And, Genie, message me in the Discord. Woohoo! Genie wins that sticker pack. Oh, yes. Genie, you want pink or purple? Oh, you tried to. He did. Pink. All right. Genie's got pink on that one. Tim, how close are you? Because, Tim, if you're a couple months away, dude, I'll send you a sticker pack for hanging out with us, man. Actually, you know what, Tim? Let me, I'm not going to send you one today because all I've got is pink and purple. So I don't know if you want a pink one. Let me get some more colors printed out and cut out so that I can do more there. This will be good for Genie B. Genie, I don't think I have any more of those little ones left. I don't think I have any more of the little ones left here. Let me see. No, I actually don't have any more of the little ones left. So, Genie B sticker pack, ladies and gentlemen. Genie B sticker pack right here. She got the pink bro, black bro, clay bro right here. Easy ride. Yes, Moji. Got it. Hey, Genie B, please message me in the Discord right now so I can just go get this taken care of and not worry about, you know, doing it tomorrow or anything like that. I can just make it happen right now. So... All right, Genie B's name on that, just in case. Good to go. Wear a Bones shirt. I hit it yeah. Bones, you got a shirt coming too. I promise. All of you guys, I got like 15 shirts sitting on my floor right there, and I will get those printed as soon as possible. Easy Ride, thank you very much. Easy Ride says, let's see some of that clay unicorn action. I got you, Easy Ride. Are you ready for this? Easy Ride, man. Thank you very much for the unicorn. Absolutely loving it. All right, where we at? Sticker pack, please. Aiden, you almost won one. You almost got it. Cover this bro's bum with a bro logo. Oh my gosh. All right, dude. If I can find some sweatpants at a decent price, I will hook you up with a bro bum sweatpants. All right, I gotta find some decent sweatpants though. No ignore bones, thank you. Never ignore bones, man. All right, guys, we'll do the shout outs. We will be back tonight with videos at 6 p.m., videos at 7 p.m. Or no, 7 p.m. and 8 p.m., not 6 p.m. and 7 p.m. 7 p.m. and 8 p.m. Appreciate every single one of you guys. So glad that Tim is back, man. Shout out to Genie B. Genie, make sure you hit me in the Discord right there so I can get your stuff in the mailbox right now. Genie B, Moji, Genie B, Next Level, J Bones, Moji, Tim, Easy Ride, Genie B, J Bones, Aiden, Tim, Easy Ride, Next Level, Matt Z, J Bones, Forgot My Cup, all of you guys, you know what time it is. So if you want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, hope to each and every one of you have an awesome day. Moji! Thank you for the peach, Moji. How can we start a weekend without Clay Bros Peach? Come on, guys. Moji. Tim says, I don't want it to end. No. It's gotta end at some point, Tim. Come on now. We gotta start the weekend, right? Tim, dude, thank you very much for the super chat. Moji, thank you very much for the super chat. Good, bro. Even though I won, I enjoy competition. So if we already won Stick Pack, we still play and choose someone who hasn't won to give it to. Even if we win, oh, interesting. So what do you guys think? Maybe. I'll let you guys decide on that one. Because then either it goes to the runner-up or you guys do get to pick at that point. Okay, I'll put it this way. If you want the responsibility of picking, yes, I will let you continue to play. If you want the responsibility of picking who gets it, I will allow you to play that. Otherwise, it'll go to the runner-up. Even if you guys do win, it'll go to the runner-up in that situation. So we can go with that route there, right there. GDP! Thank you very much. Genie B for the musical. Well, I guess what? Trumpet? Gosh, that tickles the snot out of your nose. You got that musical trumpet right there and a little lime head sidekick. Thank you very much, Genie B, for the super sticker. D's Peach, man. D's needs his peach for the weekend. Tears of joy being unbanished. That's what it is. Tim was banished to nowhere land right there, and now he is back. Thank you. I just like trying. Good. You can try, and if you win and you want the responsibility of picking, perfect. If you don't want the responsibility of picking, I will allow it to go to the runner-up. Next Level, man, shout out to you, Moji, Tim, Emma D, Genie B, thank you very much. Moji, man, thank you. Tim, thank you. Aiden, appreciate it. Genie B, love it, love it, love it. All of you guys. I'm going to make sure Genie B messaged me really quick in Discord here. And you know what? Genie B, I do not see that you messaged me in Discord. So let me double check this right now. Is your name Genie B in the Discord, or is it something else there? I gotta make sure, because I actually don't see you. And I do want to get this. I want to get this taken care of right before we close. Genie B. All right, let me search that real quick. Genie, are you 1303? All right, now it showed up. All right, Genie B, I got it. I guess because I wasn't following you or something, it never showed up. Genie B, thank you very much for the. Oh, it's such a laggy camera. It's gotta go slow. I can't even go that slow. Thank you very much. That was getting a little too weird. I was trying to go slow because the camera's lagging, and that just got a little weird there. Genie, I see your thing. I sent you an okay message back. I'll get it addressed and get it out there right now. Tim, dude, thank you very much for the Tim is #1. Tim is #1. Tim is #1, baby. Tim, thank you very much for the super chat. Tim is #1, dude. Tim put up with a lot of crap over the last week, and thank you very much, Tim, for that super chat. Genie B, you as well. Guys, we got some shout outs to Emma D, Aiden, Genie B, J Bones, Genie, Tim, Easy Ride, Genie D's, Tim, Genie. All of you guys know what time it is. So if you want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. Oh, Moji. Oh, Moji. Stop scaring me, man. Thank you very much for the super chat, Moji. Emma D says, happy Friday, bro, fam. Oh, yes. Thank you very much, Emma D, for the super sticker. Genie B, throwing the superhero out there. Genie B says, thank you very much for the superhero super sticker. D's, man. Everybody else close your eyes. This is for me and D's right here. It's so laggy. D's, man. Thank you very much. I don't know why it's so laggy. I was trying to slow it down a little bit so it wasn't glitching all over the place. D's, dude, thank you. Genie, Emma D, Moji, shout out to Tim, Emma, Moji, Genie B, Next Level, John J, D's, all of you guys know what time it is. So if you want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. Oh, dude, you guys are getting really slow, Mo. You're getting really slow. Emoji, thank you very much for the super chat. J Bone says, doo doo da 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 dee 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 doo dee dee da 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 day. Is this like a song, or is this was just supposed to be me getting this? J Bones, doo doo da 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 dee 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 da da doo dee the day. Yes, J Bones, baby. I know I'm getting that exactly right too, and you guys couldn't even do that. Doo doo da 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 dee 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 da dee doo da day. J Bones, thank you very much for the song there. Genie B. I can't even do it, Genie B. Thank you very much for the little devil there. J Bones, man. Shout out to you, Moji. I'm telling you guys, you were really running close on that last one there, so you guys better step it up. John J, man, shout out to you. Genie B, Moji, D's, Moji, Next Level, J Bones, Genie B, Moji, Next Level, Genie B. All of you guys know what time it is, so if you want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. Tim. Tim, thank you very much for the super chat. You scared me a little bit, Tim. I like it. Moji! Moji says, oh my God, this Friday is just getting started. I got you, Mo. J-Bones warmed me up earlier. Oh gosh. Oh, you guys, I do go full effort on that one. I go full effort. J-Bones says, ooh, game over. Ooh, game over. Ooh, game over. J-Bones, thank you for the game over, man. Sassy unicorns, start this weekend off right. Emma D, absolutely. Thank you very much, Emma D, for the sassy unicorn. I'm starting to sweat, guys. Jeannie B says, let's combo the hardest ones in the game. Put them together. I got you, Jeannie B. Thank you very much for the super sticker, Jeannie B. I promise I'm not gonna pass out. I promise I'm not gonna do it. Jeannie B says, what kind of Friday would it be without a little king monkey? Oh, no banana on that one. Thank you very much, Jeannie B, for the king monkey. Oh, Tim. Tim, man, thank you very much for the super chat. Really appreciate that, Tim. Loving it, Jeannie B. Yes! She got the king monkey in there for everybody. Oh my gosh. All right, 2 breaths. It is hot in here. Absolutely. Shout outs to Mo G, man. J-Bones, loving that sassy unicorn. Jeannie B, Tim, Mo G, Jeannie B. We got Tim, Emma D, Mo G, Jeannie B. All of you guys know what time it is. If you want to say it with me, I really do hope you guys have an awesome weekend, man. Say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. We can't start the weekend off without a banana right now. I got you, Moji. I got you. You take the banana. I gotta make sure I don't lag here. You take the banana, you lick it, and you stick it. Moji, eye contact the entire time, baby. Thank you very much for the lick and stick on that banana right there. Oh yes, Moji. You can't forget the banana. You can. What kind of weekend is it without the banana, man? Shout out to Jeannie B says. Oh, Jeannie B, thank you very much for the super chat. Michael's even consistent in overtime, baby. Fist, bump, fist, bump, fist, bump, fist, bump, baby. Michael knows how to start the weekend off right with a big old fist bump. Clay bro to Michael right there. Consistency even in overtime, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, baby. To the next time. Too late, Mo. He's not. He's never late, Michael. You guys are always right on time. Speaking of time, you guys know what time it is. So we get shout outs to Tim, Jeannie, Emma D, Moji, Jeannie, Emma D, Moji, Michael, Jeannie, and Michael. If you want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. Wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it. What do we wait? Oh, yes. It's just for fun. We get a little sassy monkey right here. Thank you very much for the sassy king monkey right there. Emma D, we were waiting for it, Moji. We were waiting for it. I don't know, it's black, so you guys probably can't see. I am sweating right now. It's ridiculous. Genie B, keep it up. Keep it up. Hold on. Keep it up. Keep it up. Oh my gosh, got that set in there. Thank you very much for the workout right there. Genie B, absolutely loving it. Michael. Hey you. Hey you. Hey you. Michael, man. Thank you very much for the hey you. I really appreciate that super sticker. You guys are absolutely amazing. Genie B, incredible. Michael, man. Mo G, Emma D got that sassy monkey right there. Genie B, always keeping it up. Michael, Genie, Emma, Mo G. Anybody else in here right now, you guys know what time it is, so if you want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. Oh, Tim, thank you. Oh, Tim, thank you very much for the I know one of them. I know when I get one of these moves right. It is going to stick with you guys forever. Yes, man. Yes, it will stick with you forever. This crap makes my heart happy. I like it, Tim, man. I'm so glad we're starting the weekend off right. Sick count. It's a good count. It's a good count, man. One of these moves is going to be right, and then we will have it forever, and we will always use that move. We got shout-outs, man. You guys are making me sweat. Genie, thank you very much. Genie for the... That is so much harder to do than you guys realize. Genie, thank you very much for the super sticker. Yeah, I am dizzy right now. So we got some shout-outs, I think. Shout-outs to Genie. Shout-outs to Emma, Michael, Tim, Genie, Moji, Tim, Moji. We got Michael and Genie B. You guys know what time it is. So if you want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, hope to each and every one of you have an awesome day. Oh, Moji! Woohoo! Moji, man, thank you. Woohoo! Moji, man, thank you. Woohoo! Moji, man, thank you. Woohoo! Moji, man. Thank you very much for the super sticker. Oh, Emma says, don't jump like that. Just be cool. Oh, yeah, Emma. These are my sunglasses, if you guys didn't know. Just be cool, Emma. Oh, I'm cool. Just be cool, Emma. Oh, yes. Thank you very much for the super chat. JB, still in time for this. Oh, yes, JB. We got a king. I think that's a goat. A king goat? Yeah, what do goats do? Don't goats bah? Bah, bah, bah. And then don't they go like or something like that when they're bah, bah. I think that's what the goats do. Genie B, thank you for King Goat. Michael says, Michael, thank you. Michael, thank you. Michael, thank you very much for the super chat. Genie B, Mo G, Emma D, Michael A, shout out to all of you guys. Mo G, Tim, we got some JB, Genie B, JB, all of you guys know what time it is. If you want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. More people are coming in now. They're saying, I thought I missed it. I thought I missed it. You didn't miss anything. Moji. All right, we got this. Loosen up. Ready for flight? That is all I got. That's all I got there. Oh, God. D's, thank you very much for the salt shaker. Guys, you got to pour the salt out on the table. And after you're done pouring the salt out on the table, you throw it over your shoulder. And because salt tastes so good, you just got to... But every time it gets in your eyes, man, and it stings. You got to hold it closer to your mouth or it gets in your eyes. Tim, just to see how this plays out. Where am I? Am I on camera? I got to be on camera. I don't even know what sound bulls make. I think they moo too. Moo! But they're manly moos. Moo! Oink, 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 oink. Tim, man, thank you very much. Tim's like, I could do so much better on all of those noises right there. Well, you know what, Tim? Do it then, man. Do it. If you could do better, do it. Michael, thank you very much for the mustache. Thank you, Michael. Oh, yes. Thank you very much, Michael, for the mustache. Oh my gosh, you wanted that Aladdin carpet ride? I do want that Aladdin carpet ride. No wrong way to do it? Yes, that's the way we got. Wrong way, do-over? What was the do-over, man? Now I don't even know. That's the right way to do it. That's always the right way to do it. All right, we got shout-outs to JB, Emma D, Moji, JB, Jeannie B, JB, DC888, Emma D, Michael, JB, Radaba, KC, Emma D, we got Jeannie B, Moji, JB, Radaba, we got D's, almost said it again, D's, you better watch out there, Michael, JB, all of you guys know what time it is. If you want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. Thank you very much. Moji for the peach. Yes, man. Genie B, I got you. Thank you very much for the little kitty and the peach emoji. Absolutely love. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Oh, yes. D's, that peach was for you. Heck yeah. Gotta love the dude. Heck yeah, JB. Man, we got shout outs, guys, to D's, Michael, JB, $5 bill. We got JB, Moji, Genie B, Michael. We got Moji, JB, Rob. We got Emma D, D's, Moji. All of you guys know what time it is. So if you want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.